Let's talk about creating an account on Eki Co-Net. Creating an account on Eki Co-Net is simple. You can simply download Eki Co-Net app directly from the website on your App Store or Google Play Store as well. Just search Eki Co-Net and you should be able to see it. How do we do this? Go to your browser, go to the website, go to ekiconet.digital. You see login, create an account, or get your account. You see all the information you need to know about Eki. So you click on create an account here and it takes you straight to where you can create your account. You see brief information of how to create your account. You must give a valid email address. So yes, you have to verify that you are legit. You enter your details, you enter all of your information. Prefix, you can decide to leave it empty. After inserting all of your information, proceed to creating an account. As you can see, activation link has been sent to your email, and remember to check your junk or spam folder as well. There are some emails that has been configured, random link coming should be sent to junk, so some emails are set to this as default. So yes, you have to check your junk or spam folder. And here it is. It's not even currently on the junk folder, it's directly here right in front of it. I click on it, I confirm my email address, and voila, user registration confirmation, client successfully verified. Please proceed to log in. I will log in with the email and password, and you see, so seamless, so simple, so smooth, easy to navigate. This is the dashboard. From here, I can edit my profile, view your profile, how it looks like, how people are going to see it here. Connect your profile link. You can download this barcode. You can request for a card. And for now, because this is a new profile, its total number of viewers is 0. You can see the total number of people that have exchanged contacts with you. And this account is going to be expiring in 731 days. That is a whole lot of days for free. Absolutely free. Let's proceed to editing of profile. Click on edit profile and you will see now you can edit the pictures, change your name, add VCF information, that's your contact information. Enable add contact so that people can save your contact directly. Click on save and proceed. Enable exchange settings, that's enabling people to share contacts with you or not. You can choose to add your business Google rating. You can imagine what these features are. These are the benefits and advantages of Eki Co-Net. If you have your business is on Google, like Google Business, you can simply copy your business link and paste here. People can simply rate your business based on their experience with you. So let us switch to Eki Co-Net today and enjoy the future of digital connectivity. Let's get back to work.